I have something special for you today. This is a video from today. If you follow ThrillMouseMoto, you know that I'm pretty behind on things because we just film so much. But I wanted to get this out today. It snowed in Texas. It snowed in my area in Texas. This is like powder snow. You can see it in the air. I'm not taking the Ryker out on this, but I will definitely put the dirt e-bike on it. So this is my chance to show you the Segway x160, also known as a sur-ron. They also make an x260. I got that 26-inch Maxxis tire on there. That's an upgrade for the wheel. Pro taper handlebars, pro taper grips. Got the Baja Boost button there. And then you got to have the Elvira Misses for the Dark heart keychain. Did the seat upgrade with some extra grip. Actually put a gel pad in there also, cutting out some of the foam. And the Baja Boost button does not work without the Baja Boost mod itself, as seen on the Chiquita Banana Ryker 600. I got some shred lights, red one on the back, some light ones on the front, and then you gotta have that Luna bash guard upgrade to protect that bad boy. But even the Miata got a little bit of snow. I'm not taking that out either. But man, the Ryker covers, the shower caps, they're holding up a little bit. Don't want to look and see what's underneath it quite yet. But man, yeah, quick little video, kind of like a music video. ThrillMouseMoto.
Ow. Oh man, the river. New keychain. Yeah, dog.
Thanks for watching and celebrating this snow day with us. Got more Can-Am Ryker content coming.
Oh.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to ThrillMouseMoto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, ThrillMouseMoto.